All right, here's a couple of questions where you have to take a slope and a point and come up with a y-intercept equation with that. So with this one, I have my slope is -2/7, my point -3 minus 3. So my equation is y equals mx plus b. So you plugged in the slope, excellent. And then you plugged in the point. So this x goes right there, and this y goes right there. Now to simplify this, since b is already on the right-hand side there, I would just leave it there. So let's first simplify this. So -2/7 times -4 will be 8/7. Okay, plus b equals a -3. Now, if I want b by itself, I want to get rid of this 8/7. So I'm going to subtract 8/7 here, and I'll subtract 8/7 on that side because it's going across the equal sign. Okay, so these cancel, left with b is equal to, okay, -3 minus 8/7, -29/7, I think. Let me think about that. 7 times it by 7, -21 minus 8. Yeah, I think that's right. So then the equation would be y is equal to slope, -2/7 x, my y-intercept, -29/7. I'm going to show you with this one too. Still same question. So y equals mx plus b. Plug in your slope. Y equals -5/6x plus b. Now plug in my x and my y value. So -5/6, the x value is -5. And the y value is -2. Okay, simplify this. So it'll be a positive 25/6. Plus b equals a -2. And then I want to get this on the other side. So subtract 25/6 on both sides. Okay, so this will be b is equal to -37/6, I think. You might want to check that. And then this equation will be y is equal to -5/6 x minus 37/6. Okay, a lot of people make a mistake at this point right there where they'll try and move b to the other side. But if you try and move b to the other side, let me just write this down again, equals 25/6 plus b. If you try and move b to this side, it would become a -b. -2 equals 25/6. And then you could add 2 to both sides. So you'd get -b is equal to 37/6. But then you'd have to divide both sides by a -1. Okay, so you'd get the same answers I got there. The other thing some people do at that point, -2 equals 25/6 plus b. If you like to have b on the left-hand side, you could do a wholesale swap. So just take this and write it on the left side and leave all the signs the same, and then take this and move it over to the right side. And again, so you can do a wholesale swap where you just move everything and don't change signs, keep them as they are. Okay, and then here I'd want to subtract 25/6, subtract 25/6. So b is going to be equal to, this will be -37/6. So you get the same answer regardless of which way you do it, but you just have to be careful with those negative signs. All right, hopefully that helps.